So the fight we were gonna sign up for got canceled. So we decided to take another fight that was 2 weeks sooner. Like I've said before, I don't believe in being ready. And I also wanted the challenge of getting my fighters ready with only 10 days of a fight camp. Now, if you wanna see how we run our fight camps, watch my other video on how to prep a kid for their first fight. It follows an entire fight camp. Also, I just wanna say really quick that we don't train to win. We don't talk about winning, and I never even use that word with my fighters. We do, however, perform at a certain standard of excellence. And when my fighters perform at that standard of excellence, winning is just a byproduct. Now, I will show you Jacob's whole fight in just a minute, but first, I want to tell you about some of the most important drills we did during this super quick fight camp and how we prepared with such a short amount of time. And I'm going to show you our big secret weapon drill. If you do not have a boxing gym near you, or you're too busy, or you're too shy to go in person, reach out to me and I will coach you. I have a limited amount of spots for this, so reach out as soon as you can. I will link my contact info in the description. Now, of course, 10 days isn't a lot of time, so we had to prioritize 2 goals for this fight camp. One was increasing our fight pace, and the second goal was just basically increasing our attack endurance to keep up with our faster pace and outpace our opponents. So obviously we did all of our regular fight camp stuff and all of our regular drills, but we did a lot more sprints, speed drills, and our big secret weapon, what I like to call chase drills. So here's a quick list of our regular fight camp day. On average, we do 3-mile last man up run, 5 to 10 100-yard sprints, rounds of sled pushes, rounds of sandbag modified farmer's carry, rounds of wheelbarrows, rounds of isolated bag work, and rounds of partner drills like slips, counters, defense, and sparring. And our sparring, we actually call it sprint sparring. We do 1-minute rounds of sparring as fast as possible, and we do about 20 rounds. Now, the most important drill we do, what I'm seeing create the most advantages for my fighters, is what I call the chase drill. So it forces you to work on quick forward momentum, accuracy, and fluidity. I have seen this drill improve my fighters so much. I think more than any other drill. When their opponents are moving backwards, they're getting popped in the face no matter how fast they're backing up. It is amazing. So the chase drill is pretty simple. One partner holds a kick pad and moves around quickly and sporadically. The other partner has to stay in punching range and chase the bag with continuous quick punches. It really strengthens that quick forward footwork with accuracy and sticking to the actual target. The more they work on this drill, the more they're able to feel the change in momentum in their partner's movement through space, making sticking to their opponent effortless and reflexive. This is a clip of some of my fighters moving forward smoothly while attacking an opponent who's moving backwards. So this drill, paired with all of our speed drills and sprint drills, gives our fighters a huge advantage. I think this drill alone, this chase drill, is becoming our sort of big secret weapon right now. And I'm sharing it with you because it works. And if you try it and it ends up working for you, let me know. I'll probably make another video just on this chase drill and all of its benefits like offbeat punching. All right, so our speed drills and sprint drills also help with endurance, more specifically arm endurance. Now, I don't ever like my fighters to wait or hesitate, so it's best if they keep their arms pumping and those jabs and straight punches continuously firing, right? Okay, so with all that being said, let's check out this fight. Here, Jacob is in blue. His opponent was really tall. Jacob is 15 and 5'10". His opponent was at least 6'5". So as soon as we saw his opponent, I told him not to give his opponent kicking range and just take over punching range, which he did. And it worked out really well for him. And this is Jacob's 3rd Muay Thai event. All right, so he comes out with some good forward momentum. They're both swinging pretty hard, but his opponent has his chin way up. So his opponent's getting pushed back a lot. Jacob's doing good with some straight punches and some good forward momentum. His opponent is not covering his face at all. So every time they get pushed into the corner, the ref has to put him back. So he is not used to, I guess, this volume of punches. Also, his guard is really low and he is not fixing it. Jacob's doing really good. Okay, so he got kicked right there, and I don't know why a few of my guys wear those soft athletic cups. I don't know why you would wear a soft athletic cup. I don't know. Maybe they're supposed to be more flexible or something, but I don't recommend the soft athletic cups at all. So they're just asking him if he's okay right there. He says he wants to keep going. All right, so they come back out. So Jacob's still moving forward with the straight punches. You can see there, every time his opponent is backing up, he's still getting popped with straight punches. Everywhere he goes, he's getting those straight punches to the face. Yeah, his opponent had a really, really low guard, and that's not really good for him. You see there, every time he's moving back, he's still getting caught with those straight punches. The ref keeps having to bring him back because there's no ropes, there's nothing for them to stop on the edge. So he's telling Jacob's opponent right here to stop getting pushed out of bounds. All right. Jacob's coming back, more straight punches. So he is really taking advantage of those straight punches, and he's not getting tired. We built up that endurance really well. Nice basic sweep there. He's still going. Okay, so that was the end of the round. I'm gonna speed through this real quick. Pretty much I'm just having him breathe right there, having him calm down, telling him that he's doing everything right. I'm telling him that he's doing really good, and I told him he needs to go for a couple of big body shots because he's just going after the head right here. So he comes out, now he's throwing really nice straight punches, nice kick. I think the ref told him to lower the intensity just a little bit. Tried to go for a sweep there, didn't get it. Going for some good body shots there with some straight punches. I don't see any really big body shots yet. All right, so the refs just check in this guy's headgear, make sure he's good. I'm not sure why Jacob's opponent has his head so high and his chin so high. I'm sure he's not used to this pace and this volume of punches. So at this point, Jacob kind of knows that he's doing really well as far as the scoring. So he's telling his opponent right here he's kind of giving him a chance to do a little more there. And I think he's done with that. He's taking over again. He's going for some big body shots. And then it was over. So right there, you can see me talking to Jacob's opponent, telling him to get up, but he's done. So, and then I thought this was really cool. Jacob came over, told the guy he was sorry, he didn't want to hurt him, gave him a big hug. Really cool sportsmanship there. I was really proud of Jacob for that. Told him he did really good. Yeah, see me over there looking all proud. Not proud that Jacob won. I was actually just really proud of Jacob's sportsmanship right there. But yeah, that was a really good performance. I'm really happy with the pace that Jacob was able to keep up. That's exactly what we trained for. It's exactly what we trained for, especially since we only had 10 days, you know. And of course, like I said, all right. So that's how you win a fight in 10 days. If you don't have a lot of time, you need to work on that pace and the endurance. And you have to really just raise up the arm endurance especially. You're gonna need to go for a lot of punches and a lot of forward momentum. Keep in mind that chase drill, it's amazing. If you try it out, let me know. And remember, if you do not have a boxing gym near you, or you're too busy, or you're too shy to go in person, reach out to me and I will coach you. Have a limited amount of spots for this, so reach out as soon as you can. I will link my contact info in the description. So if you're thinking of starting boxing, you should. And I'll link a video of why also in the description.